Hello everyone, I hope you're well. So today we have got Samsung S25 Ultra. Now the problem with these Samsung S25 Ultra is that when you put these protective glass covering on top, some of them they fail to do the biometrics, the fingerprints. They don't work on it. Let me show you what exactly the problem you face. Continue, register. Okay, this is what's happening, by the way. Yeah, it doesn't really recognize it, so it says make sure your finger is pressed inside the circle, and that's what you're going to get. It tries to recognize it, but it doesn't work. So the solution to this is obviously you buy a protective covering screen which really works for it. So we've ordered this one from Amazon. It's good. The best thing about this is it does say that yes, the fingerprints work on this one, the biometrics. So you need to make sure you choose a protective screen online which does say that okay, there should be a biometrics which will work. And an additional feature of this casing is it comes with the protective cover for camera. So if you look at it, it's a glass protection for camera, and it fits perfectly well within the camera. All right, it also comes with an additional bracket. This bracket helps you put the glass covering on properly without making any mistakes, and it comes with 3 of the glass coverings as well. So let me show you what is this, which company is this called. It's called, yeah, it's this basically, the sparring, yeah, sparring glass screen protectors 3 packs. You can find them on Amazon. And how much it costed us? £9. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, we'll take the old one off, clean it with the wet wipe. You make sure you clean it all around. You clean the screen properly with the wet wipe. What happens, it helps remove all the marks and the dust. So once that's done, then you use a dry cloth which also comes with the protective glass, and you make sure you don't touch your glass with the finger. You just put the cloth under your finger and then you just wipe it all around. The dust absorber. So dust absorber, I sometimes use it, sometimes I don't. It depends. So in this case we'll use it a little bit because we see there is a little bit of dust. So you'll just put it like this on the screen wherever we see the dust particles. So sometimes you see small dust particles and you just tap it on the screen and remove it. If we're gonna do the bracket, that's really helpful, and it's the top. Look, see, the top one marks the top, so you need to make sure the top of the bracket goes to the top and the bottom at the bottom. Fix the bracket in properly, put it in place, press it down from all corners. Okay, just happy with this. Okay, now grab the screen. Now on the screen you see there is 2 sides, and on one of the sides you will see this packaging where it says peel this one off. So when you peel it off, obviously that's the sticky side, and that sticky side is going to go on the screen. I'm just going to check, make sure that it fits well within the thing. So see, that's how I'm going to place it once I peel the thing from it. And you look at this, because of the screen, the bracket they've provided, the camera hole fits perfectly. It aligns perfectly with the camera, so that's great. Now what you need to do, obviously, hold it from the corners and peel the sticker off. Now that the sticker side where we peeled it off from, obviously that's gonna go exactly on the camera. So now I'm gonna carefully place the screen nicely. And just place it. You're going to leave it and let it do its work. Okay, there we go, all the bubbles are gone. And you're just going to make sure that it's settled in properly. Okay, there we go. If you look at it, the beauty of the bracket we have used, it has perfectly aligned the glass protection on the top, and it looks really good. Now let's just try enable the screen lock. So let's just go back and I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, so let's just do the screen lock now. So you go to the settings, to security and privacy, lock screen, and then you go and you say fingerprints at the bottom, and you say continue, register, and there we go. Let's see if it works now. Oh, there we go. So the new casing has perfectly resolved the problem. And now you're going to look at the messages. It's going to tell you press the finger, lift up the finger. You just follow those directions. That's it. Keep going, keep going. Lift up your finger, move it a little bit, then place it back on, and there we go. Our fingerprints are on. So fingerprint 1 is added. Let's see if it works or not. So
Finger 2.
okay, we're going to add finger 2 as well first. Okay, so that's all done, 2 fingers. Now what we're gonna do is see if it works or not. There we go. You press it. Oh, it works perfectly fine. Thank you very much. So I hope this have been helpful and informative for some of you people out there. I've got some sticky fingers, but there we go. It's all working fine. Thank you very much.